Hello guys, and welcome to the channel once again. So I have noticed many of you on the Celia mining app, okay, are not being able to mine your tokens. Although you have registered or you have logged in successfully, but you are finding it difficult to start your mining. Okay, as you can see, there is a mining tab here, and you have to click on that to start mining. Okay, so you click on this hammer symbol right here. Okay, and then you will start mining. As you can see, I am currently mining. So let me just go back. And many of you cannot mine because you have not completed your verification. So in this video, that's what I'm going to show you. Okay, so just click on the profile icon right here, and then you scroll down to verification. Okay, as you can see, I am verified. Okay, I'm verified. Let me click on that, and it says you are verified. You have successfully completed your verification process. So if you are not verified, you cannot mine the Celia token. Okay, so make sure you complete your verification first. So let me show you how to do that one in a minute. So when you download the Celia app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store for the first time, when you open it, this is how you will have the interface. Okay, so here you can just click on continue, or you can just skip this whole thing, and then here you will have to create an account if you don't have an account. Okay, and for those of you who were part of the previous Celia mining project, is the same thing. Okay, you can use your previous details to log in into this new Celia app. Okay, so if you already have an account on the old Celia, you just have to click on I already have an account. And if you haven't been part of the Celia mining network, you just have to click on create new account. So if you are watching this video and you are new to the Celia mining app, you can just go to the description of this video. I have a link there. You can just click on the link to download the Celia app, and then you can start the registration. Okay, and also I have a referral link which is in the description of this video as well. Use my referral link. Okay, at least I could get some bonus from you, if not for anything, at least for introducing you to the Celia ecosystem. So let me click on I already have an account, and then here I'll have to enter my email and then my password. So let me just do that. So I've logged in to this account. Okay, so before I can start mining, I have to do a verification. Okay, that's what thought I told you. Okay, so let me click on the profile, and let me scroll down to KYC verification. And as you can see from here, it says not verified. So let me click on that, and here you have to click on verify now. So you click on verify now, and here you will be given a passphrase. Okay, but before I continue, let me just go back and show you something. Let me go back. Okay, so this is the main dashboard of the Celia app. So let me click on mine, and here we will have to click on this hammer button, okay, or hammer icon right here to start mining. But remember, we are not verified yet, so let me click on that and let's see what will happen. Okay, so it says verify KYC, verify your KYC to unlock all benefits. So without a verification, you cannot mine the Celia token. So let's click on verify now, and here you will be given a passphrase. Okay, passphrase. Okay, so all you have to do is to copy or write it down, and make sure you keep it safe. Okay, so in this case, let me just take a screenshot of it, and I will write it down later. So let me take a screenshot. And as you can see, they are telling you to write it down and keep it in a safe place because you will need it. So let me take a screenshot of it. And guys, if you are writing it down, remember to number it. Okay, so after writing it down, just click on next, and here you will be asked to arrange it. Okay, as you can see, they have just mixed the whole thing up here. That's why I asked you to number it so that you can know that this was number one and this was number two. Okay, so here you have to arrange it according to their numbers. Okay, so let me just do that. I'll have to pause the video and do that. Okay, so after arranging it in order, you just have to click on verify to continue, and now it says your KYC has been successfully verified. So now that you are done with the verification process, you can go ahead and start your first mining section. Okay, so let me click on the hammer again, and now as you can see, mining session started successfully. Okay, so let me go back, and you can see our balance has been updated. Okay, as you can see, we are having 00 here, and it's now 18,300. Okay, so let me show you another thing. Okay, I'm sure you can see the um what do you call it, there's a countdown right here. Okay, and it says time left 3 hours 59 minutes. Okay, so this means you have to come back to this app every 4 hours, okay, to restart the mining session. Okay, because after 4 hours the mining will stop. You have to come back and then restart. Okay, so let me go back and show you another thing. So there are a lot of buttons here you can play around, and I think there is yes, there is a stake here. So if you have Celia tokens, you can stake them here, and this will help you maximize your points. Okay, and remember one thing: the balance we have here, this is not Celia tokens. Okay, so we cannot say we have 18,300 Celia tokens. Okay, this is just points. So at the end of the mining, they will convert these points into Celia tokens. Okay, and then maybe it will be distributed to our various exchanges. So currently we are mining for, let me say, Celia points. Okay, we are mining for Celia points. So let's check what's here on airdrop. So there's nothing here right now, and you can actually invite friends, okay, family and friends to the Celia ecosystem. So when you click on the invite, okay, you'll be here. So here you just have to copy your referral ID. Okay, so you can share this referral ID with your family and friends, and you can ask them to use your referral ID or referral code when they are registering on the Celia network. Okay, so when they do that, this will boost your mining rate. And for instance, if let's say you are mining 100 Celia points per hour, maybe inviting people on board will allow you to, let's say, mine 200 Celia points per hour. Okay, so do that. Invite people. Okay, invite your friends, invite your family, people who are interested in this crypto thing. Okay, because you cannot just go and invite just anyone. You invite them and they will not even open the app. So it will be a waste of time. Those who are interested, okay, explain it to them and then invite them. Okay. So as you can see, we have the send and then the receive buttons right here. So this means if you have Celia tokens in here, so let me click on send, and let me select the BNB network. Okay, so if you have Celia tokens in here, you can send it out from here to other people. Okay, yes. And let's say if I have Celia tokens and I want to send them to you, I can do that. And if you have it and you want to send to me, I can also go to receive and select Celia token, select the network, and I will have to generate a wallet address. Okay, so let me click on generate, and here is my deposit address. So when I copy this deposit address and let's say send it to you, you can send Celia tokens to me through this deposit address. So let's end the video here. In case of anything, okay, I will do another video so that I can brief you on any future updates. So subscribe to the channel and like this video. See you in my next update. Bye bye.